Welcome everyone. This is step 5 of the Infinity Funnels training. And this is a pretty important step here. This is setting up your email marketing software. This is huge, guys, because your email list is going to be your number one asset when it comes to making affiliate commissions and other commissions online. So this step is going to take time, but the way that we're going to make this easier and cut the time to do it is by giving you the 8-day email sequence straight to your autoresponder, guys. So you're not going to have to write them. They're already going to be formatted. You basically need to go in there and put the share code in there for the follow-up campaign, and then change your affiliate link. So I'm just going to do my best to make this quick for you guys and less overwhelming. Okay, so basically to the left of this video, you're going to see an orange button that says sign up for your free 30-day aweber account. Okay, so if you use the link which is orange next to this video, you're going to get those 30 free days. Okay, I would definitely take advantage of that. So again, like most of these tools, guys, these are business tools. These aren't tools that you can do without. If you're online and you're going to treat this like a real business, you need tools. And Clickfunnels is one of them, and aweber is the next one, guys. So this is going to allow you to communicate with all your email leads that said no um, the first time they saw your business, guys. So and also, whenever new products come out, you're going to have an email list that you can market that new product to as well. So with that being said, let's get into it here. So again, the first thing you're going to do is want to sign up for your aweber account with that orange button. Then when you come inside, you're going to come to, you need to make a list, right? You see here it says current list. Yours is going to not have any here if you just signed up. So what you're going to do is just go to manage list, and you're going to hit create new list. And then you're going to put your company name. If you don't have one, just put your name in there. Your company website, if you don't have a website in there, but you should, you can put your domain name with Clickfunnels, and you can just fit that in here. And if you don't have a website at all, you just decided to use the free ClickFunnel domain, then just leave that blank. Obviously, you're going to need an address here. It's kind of the law. If you want to know more about that, you can put explain this, and then you're going to want to add your name and then the email that you're going to be sending from. I suggest not using like your Gmail account or your Yahoo or MSN like that. It's best if you use an email with your domain, guys. And again, there's going to be tutorials inside Namecheap on how to set up a sender email. So my domain is billymontez.com. So you want to make an email that's on that domain that just looks more business like, and the autoresponders like aweber like that, guys. So you definitely want to do that. If you don't have one immediately, you can just put your Gmail address in there. But again, it's not best to do it that way. So I would definitely work on getting this domain email. And you can do that inside Namecheap as well, using the same domain that you bought your ClickFunnel domain in step number 2. So with that said, let's go to next step. Your list name, you're just going to name it. Nobody's going to see this but you, so it's just going to help you identify the list. So make sure you do that. Briefly describe the emails your subscribers are going to receive. So, here's it shows you an example: healthy, low-fat recipes for every budget sent weekly. So just put something in there. Doesn't matter how long or short it is. So we're going to go to next step. Well, it looks like it wants one in here. So we're going to go with that same one and put tornado funnels and training on how to set up affiliate business. And we're just going to go to next step. And we're going to, I'm assuming you're speaking English, but you have some options here. So whatever that may be, you can leave all this the same. We're not really going to use this. So I'm not even going to talk about that. And we're going to hit approve message and create list. And I'm just going to wait for that. So as you see here, the current list is Tornado Funnels. That's the one we just created. So we're going to go to messages and we're going to get ready to use the share code so that we can download these messages or these emails without you having to write them, guys. So that's just going to get you on the road to commissions so much faster. So we're going to go to legacy follow-up series, guys. So this is the automation that I love with online business and by using aweber. So whenever you get a lead, they're automatically going to get sent every single day an email on your behalf that has your affiliate link. And you don't have to email them every day if they're inside of this follow-up sequence. So for 8 days, they're going to receive emails without you doing anything, leading them back to your ClickFunnels business. Okay. So what we want to do here, as you can see here, it says drag and drop. That's what I always do. If you want to explore these, feel free to do so. But again, I like to keep things simple, so I'm just going to stay with this one here. So I want to try something here, see if we can make a shortcut. Let me just try something. If not, I'm going to come back. Okay, so I went to that campaign sharings down there. So what I'm going to do now is enable campaign sharing for authorized users. I'm just going to click yes, follow-ups only. Okay, I'm just going to hit save there. Let's go ahead and go back there. Campaign sharing. This is where we were at. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy the code that I sent you. So there's going to be another orange button there that says download your 8-day follow-up sequence for aweber. Okay, and I'm just going to grab that code here. I copied it earlier. That's this code here. That's what you're going to receive. It's going to look like that, AW list, blah, 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 a bunch of other stuff. Then I'm going to come up here and just paste it. Paste. Load campaign. We're just going to wait for a moment. This is how simple it is, guys. 8 days of emails, that you're not going to have to do. I took part of that work for you in an effort to make this as easy and as fast as possible for you guys to make commissions. So we're just going to let that load in. And literally, it's going to put 8 days worth of emails inside your follow-up series for you. But we're not done there yet. We've got a few more steps here. And again, like I said earlier, this is the longest step in this whole process, but it's almost the most important one. So you see here, it says sharing request complete. And if you look in here, 1, 2, all the way down. Actually, this campaign here that I downloaded has actually got a few more emails. But the one you're going to get is going to be 8 days here. Okay. So 8 days worth of emails here, and they're all congruent to your offer that you're going to be sharing with people. So now that you have this in here, we're going to click on one. Just going to click on it like this, and you're going to come in here, and you guys are going to make sure and change your affiliate link, your ClickFunnels affiliate link. You're going to replace your link with my link with your link, excuse me, because I like commissions, but I don't want your commissions, right? So you're more than welcome to change any of this. This is a subject line. You can change that. You can make it shorter. You can make it longer. This copy, go through it. If you see something that you would like to change, just change it. This is your email. This is your business. So you can come in here and just change whatever you want. You can make them shorter. You can make them longer. I added a picture here. You don't have to do that. But literally, you're going to go in here. If you can see the links here, they're underlined and they're usually blue. So wherever I have these at, you want to go in. You just want to copy. Excuse me. Just highlight that. And then you can see you have an X here, like a link with an X, and then just a regular link button without the X. So what I would do is I would just click the link, and what's going to happen is it's going to bring up this window. Okay, so as you see here, this is my affiliate link, my ClickFunnels affiliate link. You want to put yours in there, and then just hit OK, and it's going to save it. Okay, and same thing with this one. Just do the same thing. You go in here, You put your link, you paste your link right here, and then just hit OK. Got to check that to make sure it's in there. Okay, there it is. So that's what you want to do here. And then you're going to come down here and just click Save and Exit. And it's literally that simple. So this took out, this took me days to get this kind of emails, formatted correctly and getting the links in there. But literally, you can have this done in 30 minutes or so. Then go to the next one. This is super important, guys. If you leave my my affiliate link, I'm going to literally get your commissions, and that's going to be bad news. So definitely make sure you do this step and take your time doing it. So again, you see my links here. Take my link out, put your link in, okay? And you can get your affiliate link inside the ClickFunnels dashboard under affiliates, okay? If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Change another one here, and then you see here I put you can reach. I need to put reach me here. This is also optional. I like getting people on my Facebook, so then it's easier to connect with them also in the Facebook group. So, but here I put you can reach me here on Facebook, and I added my Facebook profile link here. So literally, when they get an email and they click on that, they're going to be taken to my profile, where then they can message me and I can connect with them there. So then just click Save and Exit. And there you go. So you literally do that for all the emails that you get. Make sure and do that. And now what happens is let's see here, where do I have that at? Your funnel, the one that I shared with you, the one that you've been working on for these, for all these steps here. When somebody gives you their email on this page, they're going to go to the next page that I sent you within this funnel. And their email is going to get collected here in your aweber account, and these 8 emails are automatically going to get sent to them on your behalf every single day for 8 days, and all the links in there are leading them back to the thank you page, which is this page. So all the links in there are coming back here, getting your lead or your subscriber to come back here and take these steps here so that they can get started as well. Let's see, what else did I miss? So let's recap here for step number 5. You're going to set up your aweber account. Just follow the instructions on how to do that, and then download your aweber campaign code, and you're going to paste that here in your aweber account, and then you're going to come inside each one of these emails, change them up as much as you can, make them sound like you. And then change your affiliate links, guys. That's the important. Let me say that again. Change your affiliate links in every single email. So with that being said, guys, I will see you in the next step. And congratulations, first of all, for making it this far. Okay, we're just about done, and you're well on your way to earning your commissions, your ClickFunnels commissions. Okay, so see you in the next step.